In a world filled with corporate success stories, there's one that stands out from the rest. A tale of heartache, resilience, and redemption. It's the extraordinary journey of Thomas Monaghan, the man who defied all odds to create one of the world's most beloved pizza empires, Domino's Pizza. Our story begins on a fateful day in 1937, in the humble town of Ann Arbor, Michigan. Young Thomas Monaghan basked in the warmth of a loving family, surrounded by the care of his hardworking father and devoted mother. But fate had other plans. Tragedy struck when Thomas was just a child. His father's untimely death shattered his world, leaving him and his little brother Jim without their guiding light. Their mother, struggling to make ends meet, had no choice but to place them in foster care, hoping for a brighter future ahead. But life had other hardships in store for young Thomas. Placed in various foster homes and orphanages, he faced strict discipline, harsh conditions, and heartache. Yet, despite the adversities, Tom's dream of a better life remained undeterred. In the shadows of his struggles, Thomas dreamt of riches and fame. He aspired to become a priest, seeking solace and purpose in his spiritual journey. But life's twists and turns led him away from that path, and he found himself in the Marines, where resilience and determination became his closest allies. A chance encounter with a get-rich-quick scheme left him with only $15, but Tom's spirit refused to be broken. He channeled his hardships into learning valuable business skills while working at a newspaper distributor, setting the stage for his future success. Then, destiny intervened once more. Tom's brother Jim suggested they take over a struggling pizzeria named Domino's. With nothing but determination and a belief in their dreams, the Monaghan brothers embarked on a journey that would change their lives forever. Domino's faced challenges, and their dreams were tested. But Tom and Jim's unwavering commitment propelled them forward. Soon, they renamed the pizzeria Domino's, and with hard work and dedication, they turned it into a thriving business. But as success loomed on the horizon, an unintended consequence threatened to overshadow it all. The 30-minute delivery guarantee led to accidents, causing unimaginable pain and grief to families. Tom faced the darkest moment of his journey. Tom couldn't bear the weight of responsibility. With tearful eyes, he accepted his mistakes and pledged to make amends. He suspended the delivery guarantee, prioritizing safety and the well-being of his customers and employees above all else. The road to redemption was long and challenging, but Tom's resilience shone through. Domino's transformed, rebuilding trust through honesty and a renewed commitment to excellence. With Patrick Doyle at the helm, Domino's embraced change. They revolutionized their pizza, became a tech giant, and pioneered innovations that set them apart from the competition. Today, Domino's Pizza is not just a global sensation, it's a testament to the power of redemption. Tom Monaghan's life story teaches us that with determination, compassion, and a willingness to learn from our mistakes, greatness is attainable. So, the next time you bite into a delicious Domino's pizza, remember the journey that made it possible. It's not just a slice of heaven, it's the product of an inspiring tale of triumph over adversity. As we celebrate Domino's Pizza, we celebrate the indomitable spirit of Thomas Monaghan and the enduring legacy of a company built on resilience and redemption. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey through the extraordinary history of Domino's Pizza. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss the next chapter in this incredible saga. Until then, may your dreams be as bold and your spirit as unyielding as the journey of Thomas Monaghan and Domino's Pizza. Goodbye.